Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you hit the 100 subscriber mark, and it's all thanks to you guys. Thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate. So shout out to Metallic, shout out to Democracy Rudochi Ganze, shout out to Barbara Diamond, shout out to Caroline Dalamba, shout out to Betty Kumado, shout out to Miriam Chisala, yay! Shout out to Glory Umo. Shout out to Fancy First Amalia. Shout out to Nikita Edwards. Shout out to Fatoumata Diara. I hope I pronounced your name right. Shout out to Fatima Silva. Shout out to Alba Borrero. Shout out to Adauku Osuji. Shout out to Jay who loves everyone. Shout out to Prudent Ehis. Shout out to everyone who asked questions. Shout out to everyone who liked. And a big shout out to everyone who subscribed. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys. If you are new here, please consider subscribing. Consider hitting the subscribe button, guys. Let's take this channel to 1K, guys. Help me do that. I know we can do it. I believe in us. Yes, I believe in us. Thank you so much, guys, for your help. Thank you so much. I didn't know that we'll be here today. Like, seriously, sometimes I feel like giving up, but every time I read your comments, every time I see a subscriber, every time I see a like, it really motivates me to continue doing this. So I really thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for what you're doing in my life. It really means a lot. Please, guys, continue commenting, continue liking, continue subscribing. It's really motivating me. And see you in my next video. Goodbye.